Hey everyone, welcome back to Car Alerts. Today we're diving into the world of pure driving pleasure with the 2024 Mazda MX-5. Known for its iconic Roadster design and exhilarating performance, the MX-5 continues to capture the hearts of driving enthusiasts. So, let's take a closer look at what makes this car a standout choice for 2024. Exterior first up, let's talk about the exterior. The 2024 Mazda MX-5 retains its classic Roadster look with a few modern tweaks. The front end features Mazda's signature grille, flanked by sleek LED headlights that give it a sharp, aggressive stance. The body is sculpted with flowing lines that emphasize its athletic nature, while the low, wide stance adds to its sporty appeal. The MX-5 comes equipped with 17-inch alloy wheels, which not only look great but also enhance handling. Interior inside the MX-5, it's all about driver engagement. The seats are sporty and supportive, wrapped in either cloth or leather depending on the trim level. The cockpit is snug but comfortable, putting all controls within easy reach of the driver. It's designed to make you feel connected to the road, with a minimalist approach that keeps distractions to a minimum. The MX-5 also includes a rear-view camera and an available premium sound system, making every drive more enjoyable. Performance under the hood, the 2024 Mazda MX-5 offers a choice between a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine delivering 181 horsepower and a 2.5-liter engine with 200 horsepower for the higher trims. This power is sent to the rear wheels through a precise 6-speed manual transmission, which is a joy to use. So there you have it. The 2024 Mazda MX-5 continues to be a top choice for driving enthusiasts who value performance, design, and a pure driving experience. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more automotive content from Car Alerts. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.